Welcome back, my friends. We know it's been a minute since we've done a Tequila Tuesday tasting video. Fortunately, we had to take a little time out. Some things just happened to get in the way. On March 15th, Doug was diagnosed with renal cell carcinoma and ended up having his right kidney removed on April 9th.
But I'm back.
He's back.
And I'm doing great, and my one kidney's just fine, and I'm ready to do tequila again, full steam ahead. So I want to thank all of you everywhere who kept me in their prayers. We're greatly appreciated, every single one of you. Okay, enough with that. Let's get back to the tequila.
Tequila.
What do we have today?
Well, today is something quite interesting. We are going to be tasting Taco Tuesday. It's going to be interesting, but we really like this fun little bottle, which is an avocado. How cool is that?
It was a fairly expensive bottle of tequila, too, so we're not sure if it's the bottle or if it's got some good tequila in it. But they also offer a lot of fun bottles in the shape of taco. One's in the shape of a cactus. They got one in the shape of a piñata. And hey, if the tequila's good, maybe we'll try all 4 bottles.
Yeah, there we go. So, are you ready to get back at it?
I sure am.
Let's see what we can do.
Let's do the...
All right, so let's give this Taco Tuesday a try.
Mm-hmm.
We're back at our stump past old shot glasses here, and let's give this a pour. See what we got going on here.
It's Blanco.
So, yeah, it's a little silver, so that's good. And actually, it has that in the name too. It says Tequila Blanco, 100% pure agave. Agave. Okay, so I had to come out. All right, here we go. So here we go, and just FYI, tomorrow's my birthday.
Happy birthday to Annette.
Yep. So here's to 58.
58, 59, or 60. What are we this time?
58.
Okay.
All
You
right.
said 59 yesterday.
59. I don't know. I don't know how old I am. Sorry. Here's to Taco Tuesday.
On Annette's birthday. Ugh. Pretty much what we figured. Anytime you got a pretty bottle,
Yeah,
the tequila isn't that good.
It
So
ain't bad, but
it ain't that bad. It was kind of sweet. It's a little rough.
I give it a 4.
Yeah.
Like 4. I don't know.
3 or 4, but
We're gonna have to do another one. Just
For
that
80
second
all right,
one.
maybe it'll be better this
Yeah.
one.
So the second one they say is always a little better after. I don't know, but and then I didn't brush my teeth this time, so I'm taking it off for a freshly nasty breath apparently. So.
Okay.
All right.
Try it
here we
again.
go. All right. Taco
Taco
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. The second one is not any better. If anything, it's worse.
So, unfortunately, it looks like that's the only bottle of.
Yeah.
Not going to be trying out the piñata or the.
Cactus. I wanted the
Cactus or
cactus
whatever
one.
other
The
kind
cactus
in there.
one was kind of cute, but
But hey, you know.
oh, dear
It's
Lord.
tequila.
Tequila. Well, thank you everyone for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found some of this tequila stuff very interesting or helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You know, we don't want them to get into any kind of tequila danger. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more information about real estate tips, property tours, and marketing updates. And hit that notification button so you'll never miss an update on real estate or tequila. And if you ever have any questions or would like topics that you'd like to discuss or cover, drop it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Again, thank you so much for keeping us in your prayers. Doug still has a few things he's got to go through, so
Amen.
Let's keep our thumbs up. And don't forget, we're always in and around Central Ohio, and we're keeping it real here in real estate.